What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 10 and today's topic will be how to use multimodal LLMs with Llama Index. So in this tutorial I'll be going to chat with some image documents using a multimodal LLM which is GPT-4 Omni. Okay, it is going to be very easy, but again on the same point of time it is going to be super effective tutorial. Okay, so before I start the actual tutorial or before I go to the next slide, I would like to say a couple of things. So I believe all of you know myself. My name is Ronnie and I'm creating artificial intelligence LLM application related development related videos for last couple of months. If you are watching this video for the first time, then please go ahead with this channel name on the YouTube search bar or search button. Try to find our channel and after that go to the playlist. There you will find two very recently updated playlist. One is with LangChain and one is with the Llama Index. If you see here, for Llama Index I have already created 10 videos, and for LangChain it's another framework. There actually I have already posted more than 104 or 404 or 105 videos. So that LangChain series is quite completed. It has like full coverage uh, from a beginner to advanced. So my recommendation is actually, please go ahead and start watching that playlist as well, and this Llama Index playlist as well. And most important thing, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family and friend, and try to put some comment so that I will understand that what is actually missing or what could be done in a better way. And if these videos are helping you in some way, please try to let us know via some sort of feedback. That will motivate us and that will also help someone else to find that video valuable. And one of the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe, because your one subscription is going to help me a lot. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon, because the more subscription I will get from YouTube will start promoting my videos with the help of their YouTube algorithm. And everybody loves to actually get some push from YouTube algorithm, because until and unless you are not in the radar of YouTube algorithm, your channel will not grow. So I would like to grow and I would love to reach large number of audience. So I just need your help, guys. Please support me. I know you guys will help me. Okay, enough of talking. Let's go back to the study material. So this is a study material. Again, it's $1 million study material. Just joking. So we'll be going to work with multimodal LLMs, load images from directory, use OpenAI GPT-4 Omni model to get the insight from the images. I don't like to write too much or too many things for the theoretical part. I just want to show you the code, and that will actually going to tell all the story. Okay, here you will get the like source code from this GitHub link. So enough of talking. So let me minimize this thing and jump in uh, jump into the this part. Just hold on, what is happening, I don't know. So let's actually go here and start writing. So this is the code, and if you see here, I have created a directory called images, and there I have couple of images. So this is the first image with a guy working on a laptop. Second image is actually some cubes, colorful. This image is actually like two females, three females basically working outside of an office. It seems an office. They're working, maybe working professional or something. They have a bag and they're in the queue and they're probably asking for some inquiry. Okay, and here maybe it's a camp, like some camp, and there some volunteers are actually taking a selfie, not selfie, a photo. And here a girl child is actually eating some bread or cake. I don't understand, but it's a bread. So let's start working on the actual part. So first objective is actually, we'll be going to import some necessary LLM modules, and after that we'll be going to start the task. Okay, so from LLM, okay, LLM underscore index underscore sorry, llama index dot core. Okay, so in the from the core I'll be going to import simple directory reader. Okay, simple directory reader, right? The next thing, from llama index, okay, dot multimodal LLMs dot OpenAI import OpenAI multimodal. Okay, right? So now I'll be going to set an object here, okay, with the help of this variable. So OpenAI multimodal, right? So the model name will be GPT-4 Omni. Model name is GPT-4 Omni model. I think this is more than enough. Nothing else is required. Okay, just to check whether it is giving any error or not. So yeah, no error means everything is fine. Okay, so now let's load the images from this directory. So I'll create a variable images and I'll be going to load from this directory. So it's going to be simple directory reader, then the directory name images. Okay, images, and then load data. All done, right? And just to make sure it is able to read everything, I would like to print the variable images. So this is going to give me some information about the images. Okay, let's see. Yeah, everything is coming. So let's do something. It's going to be very small tutorial, but if you want to actually uh, see couple of things, so if you see, this is in first image document, some embedding is, no embedding is there, file path is there, file name is there, size is there, a lot of metadata is actually available. Okay, so you can do anything or everything with the help of this thing. Now the most important part, let's create a variable called response. Okay, and let's ask some question. llm.complete. Okay, llm.complete, and inside that I'll be just going to create something called prompt. Okay, here I'll ask some question. Okay, uh, what are what are what is described inside the images. Okay, now what I'll do, let's going to print the response. I said just give me a description of each image. Okay, so we'll be going to a lot of thing here, and some basic fundamental question, and here I'm just asked, I have just asked very fundamental question. Okay, and let's see, I have total 5 images, so 1 2 3 4 5, so probably uh, yeah, sorry. So guys, if you see here, I did a super like stupid mistake. So here I have to actually give something called image documents. I forget that, and I have to put images. Okay, so now this will work because I forgot to pass this variable, or else how this prompt is going to work. Okay, so let's see. So it is doing something at the back end, and we'll get the response slowly. So see, first the first image. So see, the first image shows a person sitting on a couch using a laptop. The person is wearing a white t-shirt and jeans, appears to be focused on laptop screen. If you see here, right, the second image is actually a large pile of colorful cube. Yeah, right. The third image is people standing near the brick wall. One person in facing camera appears to be waving while the others are. So basically I believe this is the third image. So waving on the wall, so maybe something is there. Fourth image is which is running together. Okay, so this is the fourth image. This is the third image, so the group of people standing near the brick wall. Okay, yeah, I think this one. Okay, okay, so and the last image is actually a yeah. Okay, okay, so everything is fine. Now we will be going to ask some different question. Okay, so let's ask a question. Okay, uh, just hold on, give me some time. Okay, so what we'll do, uh, I'll be going to ask a very interesting question now. uh, what are what what are the apparel what are the apparel uh, shown in the images. Okay, also mention their colors. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll be going to make it clear and we'll be going to start. Okay, so this is going to be a very interesting one because I said what are the different apparels are available inside the image and also mention their color. So basically I would like to see whether OpenAI GPT-4 vision model or Omni model is able to get the insight or not. So see, the first person image is wearing a white shirt and light blue denim jeans. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it understood that it's a light blue denim jeans. See, only very 5% or 10% of the thing is available. It's kind of a human intelligence kind of a thing. Second image does not show any apparel containing colorful cues. Yeah, second image has no apparel. Okay, so I just this and let me. Okay, so now what will happen? Next thing, the second people in the third image wearing various outfit. Okay, so third image is actually various outfits. See, first person left is wearing flower printed dress colors with like yellow and red black. So this person, okay, the person in the middle is wearing white black pattern. So this one, and the third person to the right is visible appears to be wearing a dark colored top. I believe this. Okay, and the people fourth image is wearing. So I believe these things they are explaining. Yeah, you see blue, right? Child in the fifth image is wearing orange long sleeve shirt. Okay, like now I'll be going to ask another different question. Uh, what are the uh, uh, count the female and male in the images? Another interesting question. Okay, so let's see how it is actually going to give me. Okay, so if you see here, first image has one male, right? Second image, no people. Third image, three female, one male. So let's start with the first image, one male. Second image, no. Okay. Third picture, three male, three female, one male. Three female, one male. Okay. And fourth image, three females, three females. Last one child. Okay. So total male count and female count. So this is super amazing. I'm actually amazed by this thing. Okay. So uh, you can achieve anything with the help of any large language model which has the capability of resolving question related to text, image, video and audio. Here I'm actually considering the image and text, and in the next video or after some time, maybe in the near future, I'll be going to do the same thing with audio and video. Okay, so for the time being, let's focus on text and image. And if you know, I already did the similar thing on the LangChain, so I'll be going to follow the same pattern with the Llama Index. My objective is actually um, to start with the very basic and very basic like concepts, and while doing the basic concept, I must consider all the different components and bits and pieces of the Llama Index, and gradually this will help you to develop some sort of intuition towards Llama Index. And after that, maybe when I complete 30 or 30, 25 or 30 videos, I'll start slowly with the integration with the help of some use case or maybe some real world scenarios. But for next 10-15 videos, it will be very basic, and I'll try to focus with all the various I'll try to use all other components of Llama Index. Right now, if you see, I'm still using the uh, component called LLMs or model, large language model related stuff. Maybe in the next part I'll be going to do something else. Okay. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you really like the videos and these videos are helping you in your study, in your project, or doing something, or helping you to do better and efficient work for your client, please let us know, have some sort of feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is very important. Your one subscription will help me a lot. And last but not least, try to share our videos as much as possible. So this will also help me to gain a lot of subscriber. Okay. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.